Hey, go.
This is my train sailing. Today you're going to witness the first step of my train ride by myself.
Okay, and are you the co-pilot, Gabe?
Yes. Gabe's the
Okay.
co-pilot. This here is it's the fun part of the train. Okay? If you stick right in here, you'll see amazing parts.
Yeah, I saw that.
Okay?
Did they stick that in there afterwards, or is that?
I don't know.
I guess that's probably a rule that
Yeah,
they
let's
used.
talk about the size it would be, I guess. But that's where you get water.
That's probably
when
pretty.
you're thirsty.
I'd imagine that's pretty warm after a while. Hey, Gabe, you got to show me the boiler room.
Okay. Now co-pilot will show you the boiler room. What I hear is the boiler room. While the train is moving, you'll get pretty hot. And if you go way back here, you'll see the toilets back
Should we
there.
go see it?
Sure.
We'll go see it.
Isn't it getting pretty hot in here? Seems pretty hot in here, isn't it? Isn't it?
I am really hot. Let's take off our shirt.
Because the coat said they're too hot to go all the way back here to use the toilet.
There it is, right next to this thing.
The boiler, the hot heater, I think it is called. Now let's go back to the thing. Controlling the train. Let's see how he's doing.
I must release the brake.
Just
That
that.
thing right there.
Okay, all done?
The brake's broken.
Oh, you gotta blow the whistle because we didn't have it on camera last time. There we go.
Everyone, this is the captain speaking.
Oh, okay.
What? This is the captain speaking. Abandoned ship. Abandoned ship.
It's not a ship.
That's what I said the first time you said that.
Is this the name? Goodbye and have a nice day.